Take me where the sun is shining. Watch the mist roll down the mountain. A place where we can go. This time of year the leaves will change. Holds a beauty I can't explain.
I feel that Ruairi and Olivia bring out the best in each other and enhance each other's lives. They take pride in each other, and rightly so. I wish you both prosperity, happiness and fulfillment in the future, because you both deserve this, very much so. Thank you for listening to me, folks, and have a wonderful night.
Falls on your cheek, the look you give that makes me weep.
Just how much you not only share love, but also share joy and laughter and happiness. And it has honestly been a pleasure to be able to watch you grow as a couple. Obviously, everybody hopes to find their soulmate, their one true love, the person that will look after them in old age. I thought Olivia had found that in 2014 when she met me, but I guess we can have two soulmates. You're the one. I really do wish you the world of happiness. I'm sure you will have the most amazing marriage. I can't wait to be there to see everything that happens. I would really appreciate it if you would join me in raising a glass to my best friend and her husband.
Close my eyes and I can see a life together, you and me, love.
Ruairi, do you choose to trust and respect Olivia for the rest of your lives together?
Yes.
And Olivia, do you choose to support Ruairi in good times and in bad times?
I do.
Ruairi, do you choose to share your laughter and your tears with Olivia?
I do.
And Olivia, do you choose to share your laughter and your tears with Ruairi?
I do.
And lastly, I'll ask you both together. Do you both choose to be each other's partners for life?
We do.
By the power vested in me by you two, but also by the power and strength of your own love, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss one another.
I could not in a million years have imagined being so happy. I love you with all my heart, and you are my life, and I'm so grateful that you're my husband. I love you. Okay, that's enough tears, guys. Can everyone just calm down?
Marrying you is my greatest achievement, hands down. And I just want to finish off by combining our two native languages, so Bengali and Irish, for which I can't really speak much of. But I'm going to give it a try. But starting with Bengali, Dumi Amar Jan, you are my life. And So you are my life, and then in Irish, Tá tú magach rud, you are my everything. So I'd like to finish off by giving a toast to my new wife, Olivia. Thank you.